The first thing I like to do when I'm going to be making these Cornish hens is I like to brine them overnight. If you're not sure what a brine is, it's basically just salt water and then you add in your kind of flavors. So for instance, I have rosemary, I've got oregano, I've got thyme, I added in some lemon juice. Then I'm gonna let these sit in the fridge overnight, like I said, and then right before I get ready to season them, and right before we put them into the oven, we want to make sure that we get them to room temperature and that we rinse them off. Brining your chickens, brining your turkeys, anything like that really helps the meat itself grasp onto all these wonderful flavors, and it really does make a big difference. So our chickens have just gotten taken out of the brine. I have rinsed them in cold water to get any excess salt and stuff off of them. Now you're going to want to take some paper towels and you're literally going to want to pat dry them down. Get in the crevices, like so. Get the whole chickens dried, and then we'll be on to the next step. Once you have your chickens dried, you're gonna wanna take your lemon slices. I've cut mine about 1 inch thick. You can normally get about 4-inch thick slices of lemon out of 1 lemon. So each chicken is gonna get 2 slices of the lemon. You're also going to want to make sure that you have out some sort of salt. I'm using garlic salt today. You're also going to be needing some black pepper. Your herbs, I got my rosemary and oregano. And then you're also going to need 1/2 cup of butter, so 1/2 stick per chicken. Now with these, we're literally just going to take the chickens, and you can see this opening, and we're going to shove these spices and butter and lemon down in there. So let's get to it. Now that we have our chickens stuffed, what I like to do is I like to take my non-stick spray and just very lightly spray the tops of them. Now this is where the salt comes into play. You just want to sprinkle some salt on there. Not too much because we did just brine it in the salt lemon water. So, I mean, it's going to be a little salty meat-wise anyway. Not too salty, obviously, but perfectly. Then you're going to take your black pepper, sprinkle it on top. Alright, I even have some extra herbs here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to shove them in there, in between the birds. And I have an extra lemon slice, so I'm going to cut it in half, and I'm also going to shove those in there. Alright, so let's go ahead and pop these into our 375-degree oven. They're going to take about 45 to 50 minutes. Just use a knife, stab somewhere around the thickest part of the chicken, and if the juices are clear, then you know that it's done. If it's bloody, pop it back in there, maybe bump up the temperature just a little bit. Alright, here we go. We'll be back when they're done. Cornish hens are done cooking. They took around 55 minutes at the 375 degrees. They've got like super crispy skin. I don't know if you can hear that or not. They're really wonderful. They're nice and juicy. They will not be dried out because we'd shoved the butter inside of them. I hope that you guys love this recipe as much as I do. If you have any questions, make sure you leave a comment down below. Give us a big thumbs up if you like this recipe, and as always, make sure you subscribe to the channel for new weekly videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.